LangChain makes it so easy to build LLM based applications. Just recently, they have announced the release of LangChain templates. LangChain templates offer a collection of easily deployable reference architectures that anyone can use. LangChain has worked with a lot of partners to create a set of easy to use templates to help developers get to production more quickly, and it is an open source thing. Even you can go and add your template for any technology over there. So this is a primarily a new way to create, share, maintain, download, and customize chains and agents. Another cool thing is that they're all in same format, so it will be easily deployed with LangServe. So with the help of this, you can easily get production ready APIs and also a playground for free. On your screen, you can see this GitHub repo of LangChain templates. On the left hand side, they already have a lot of templates. So if you let me scroll down, you will see that in this template folder, if I expand it, they have a lot of templates from Anthropic, Cassandra, Elastic Query Generator, Llama 2, Neo4j, and then keep scrolling down. And there are a lot of them which you can use today. For this video, I'm going to show you a demo of how you can use LangChain template for AWS Bedrock. AWS Bedrock is a service from AWS which you can use to access the LLMs through the API. So if you click on that on RAG AWS Bedrock, it will show you what are the steps to which are needed to get this AWS Bedrock working with LangChain through this template. There are few prerequisites which you need to meet. For example, you have to have AWS account at your disposal. For that, you need to have credentials. You need to implement and configure Boto 3 SDK library from AWS on your local system where you are trying to run this RAG AWS Bedrock template. And then you also need to have Python and pip installed. Once you have that, you can go in and then install this 5 CPU, which is simply a vector store, and we will be using it during our demo. So let me go to my terminal and show you. This is my terminal, which is Ubuntu, and I'll quickly show you my version number so that if you are doing it by yourself, you will use the same. So it is 2020 2.04, and let me show you my Python version. I'm using this, my AWS version, which is AWS CLI. So I'm using this CLI. Plus, let me also show you my Boto 3 version, the pip show Boto 3. So these are all the things which we need to have before we can start using these templates with AWS Bedrock. Okay, having said that, now let's clear this and install the 5 CPU. So the command for that is pip install 5 CPU and then press enter, and you can see that it was fairly quick to get it installed. Once that's done, in the next step, let's install the LangChain CLI. So pip install -u LangChain CLI should be fairly quick. So you can see that it is downloading it and installing it with all the prerequisites. Let's wait for it to finish. That is fine. We can ignore this warning for now. Let me clear this screen. So here I'm creating a new LangChain app and a new project. So let's run it. So it is adding it here, which is fine. Let's wait for it to come back. Just press Y here. Okay, so it is, yeah, we can generate the code. That is fine. We can edit it later. So that is done. Let me clear the screen and then do ls-ltr. So we are here, my app. If you go to my app, then again ls-ltr, you will see that we have all of this structure here. And in this structure, app is where LangChain code lives, and in packages, there are all the agents and stuff. So let's go to app first and check ls-ltr, and then you see that there is server.py. Just go into this server.py editor, server.py, and then we need to add the routes here. So let's first go here and paste these two files here. So and remove this file. So what we are doing it, we are adding the route to our AWS Bedrock from here and just delete this. So that's cool. It is running on localhost. Let's save it. It is done. I cleared the screen and then go back to your my app directory and let me show you the structure again. So we have this app. Now all we need to do is to just run LangChain serve and it is going to serve our application on the local host cloud provider. and it And has as you started might know, serving the AWS application
is
on your
world's
local host
leading
at
cloud
port
provider as
8000.
it
So
provides
make
a lot
sure
of
that
managed
this port is
services
opened on your
where you
firewall,
can pay
and
and
once
you
you will
can use
access
those
this you
services
can make your
as
API
you would
calls
do
to
on
this and
rent.
play around with this
Amazon
new template.
Bedrock is such a service on rent, or there is another
So
word
this is
for
it
them
guys,
which
I
is
hope that you enjoyed
large
it.
language models
I
or
will drop the
LLMs.
link to these
We mean
templates
that
in video's
software
description so that you can
applications
also play around
which do
and let me know
generative
your
AI for
thoughts.
you.
And if you
Generative
like the
AI
content,
means
please consider
where
subscribing to
AI
the channel.
generates
Thank you very
something
much.
that